Hi everyone, I am M. Raju, Assistant Professor of English, working for WITS Varangal. Welcome to WITS Connect. In the last class, we have discussed about paragraph writing 1 and 2. Today, we will discuss about active and passive voice. This is one of the most important topic in English grammar. If you attend any competitive exams, there is a active and passive voice question. Still we have some doubt what do you mean by active and passive voice, how to change from active to passive and passive to active. Here I will give you some tips to learn active, what do you mean by active and passive voice. Coming to the active voice in a sentence if the subject done by the action is called active voice. Means in a sentence if the subject done by the action is called active voice. Okay students, for example, I will give you one example, a sentence. I teach English. I teach English. Here I am giving you an example. I teach English. Here there is a sentence. In that, I is a subject, teach is a verb, English is a object. If we want to frame a sentence, we require three things. We require subject, we require verb. Verb is the heart of the sentence, and also if we want to frame another one, object. Subject, verb plus object. If we want to frame a sentence, if we want to frame any sentence, we require mostly subject, verb, object. Verb is the heart of this sentence. Here I am giving you example. I teach English. Here you can understand, in a sentence if the subject is I, done by the action I teach English. In this subject I, done, teach, verb, English, object. In the sentence, if the subject done by the action is called active voice. Here subject is the very most important. You can understand, this is the active voice. Coming to the passive voice, in a sentence if the object receives the action is called passive voice, PV. In a sentence, if the object receives the action is called passive voice. How can you understand? Here I am giving you another example. English is taught by me. English is taught by me. Here you can understand. Here is the subject. Here is the object. Receives. English is a helping verb. Taught, V3. By is a preposition, and I becomes me. English is taught by me. Here you can understand what do you mean by passive voice. What is the meaning of passive voice? In a sentence, if the object receives the action is called passive voice. Here English is taught by me. Here యాక్షన్ రిసీవర్, దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే మనం కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ యాక్షన్ రిసీవర్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రిసీవ్స్ ది యాక్షన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్. English is taught by me. English is taught by me. Here object becomes subject, and in this passive voice object played an important role. Objects also called action receiver. Here you can in the sentence, in the meaning you can understand, in a sentence if the object receives the action is called passive voice annam మనం generally. Here action receiver అని కూడా మనం అంటాం జనరల్గా. కాబట్టి English is taught by me. Here in a sentence if the subject done by the action is called active voice. Here I am giving example, I teach English. Here the subject, here the verb, here is the object. Next coming to the passive voice, in a sentence if the object receives the action is called passive voice. English is taught by me. Here you can understand what do you mean by active voice and what do you mean by passive voice. Okay, here you can understand what do you mean by active voice and what do you mean by passive voice. I am giving you the what are the rules to be followed while changing the one converting the active voice to passive voice. Here rules to be followed, rules to be followed converting, while converting number 1, object becomes subject. Number 2, use helping verb according to the tense. Add V3 form or write down verb form 3. You all know about V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. We have a 5 verb forms, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Write down verb form 3. Next, use preposition by. Number 5, change persons. Here rules to be followed while converting to AV to PV, active voice to passive voice. The first rule number 1, object becomes subject. Use helping verb according to the tense. The very most important thing is, if you want to know the active and passive voice, before that you should all of you aware about tenses. You know about present tense, past tense, future tense. Each tense divided into 4 groups, and also we have 12 tenses in English. Though we have 12 tenses, we use mostly 8 tenses. We use only 8 tenses. You should aware about 8 tenses and its formula. Next, write down verb form 3. Write down verb form 3 means if a sentence, I will give you one example. Next, verb form 3, use the preposition by, change the person. For example, I'll give you, I change the persons. First, object becomes subject. Use helping verb according to tense. Write down verb form 3. Next, use the preposition by, and change the persons. For example, ABలో I persons ఉన్నారు కదా మనకు. We have 7 persons. I, we, you, he, she, it and they. I becomes me, we becomes us, you becomes you, there is no changing. They becomes them, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it, who becomes whom. These are the person. When you are changing to active voice to passive voice, the persons will change definitely. Also by I, we, you, he, she, it and they and who. Who becomes who. Can you understand? I am giving you the clarity. Example, I learn English. I learn English. Here, when you are changing to active voice to passive voice, English is learnt by me. English is learnt by me. Here, the third form is English is learnt by me. Here, when you are changing to active voice to passive voice, object becomes subject, object becomes subject. Use helping verb, account tense. Your helping verb is. Write down verb form 3. Learnt is the verb form 3 of learn, and use preposition by. Here is the preposition. Every time you use preposition by and you change the persons, I becomes me. Here the subject, helping verb, V3 form, preposition and person changing. Here English is learnt by me. Here you can understand the rules to be followed while changing to the active voice to passive voice. Object becomes subject. Use helping verb according to the tense. Write down verb form 3. Use the preposition by. Change the persons. When you come into the AB to PB, I becomes me. Okay students, I'll give you a first example, active and passive voice. I teach English. English is, I learn English. English is learned by me. Yes, I'm giving you some examples. I watched a movie. I watched a movie. Here, a movie was seen by me. Here you can understand, I watched a movie. A movie was seen by me. Here subject becomes object and use, it is in a past tense. It is in a past tense, and use helping verb was. We use in the past tense. Was and were is the past form, and write down verb form 3. Watched means seen. Use preposition by. Can write down by. And I becomes, when you are changing to active voice to passive voice, I becomes me. Here I watched a movie. A movie was seen by me. Here next, I am playing chess. Chess is being played okay. Chess is being played by me. Chess is being played by me. Why? Because here you can understand, it is in a playing. It's a present continuous tense. It's a present continuous tense. In the present continuous we can use am, is, are plus being. You can use I am playing chess. Chess is being played by me. Here you understand, it is in a present continuous tense. Next, they invited me. They invited me. I was invited by them. We have helped them. They have been helped by us. They have been helped by us. They becomes, so them becomes they. Have been means it is in a present continuous tense, sorry, past continuous tense. They have been helped by them. Have been helped by, we becomes I. Here you can understand, I watched a movie, I am playing chess, they invited me, we have helped them. Okay students, I am giving you the assignment for you. You can do it at home, you can understand, you can have some doubts and you can solve this. I am giving you 6 examples which you can done at your home. We help poor people, number 1. We help poor people. Number 2, she was writing a story. Number 3, children like chocolates. Number 4, I was writing a letter. Number 5, Tom is building a house. I will write a letter. Here you can understand, you can do it at home. This is the assignment for you, and you have some doubts. Yes, you can, while learning you have some doubts, you can do it at home. This is the assignment for you. You can do it at home and post in the West Connect app. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining.